Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to warmly welcome you at the 4th Interdisciplinary FNP Conference.
And the idea of this conference is to build collaboration and also networking, and also exchange the information about how to apply the results which were received during the grant work.
I think that these kind of conferences are very important for the community because this conference gathers the absolutely top scientists in Poland, because as we know, the foundation is supporting the best scientists in Poland.
I represent humanities and social sciences, disciplines that are often underrepresented in grant funding and this kind of events. I combine methods of history, anthropology and linguistics, and I work with ethnic minorities in Poland and more broadly Europe, and also the indigenous people of the Americas. I'm interested in multilingualism, language endangerment, health and well-being of indigenous communities.
So without European funds, we wouldn't exist. So this is really to be or not to be for us.
We were the first to show that we are able to use a femtosecond laser to image the human retina in vivo of a living patient in the human eye.
I have benefited greatly from the team program of the Foundation for Polish Science, where we carried out Language as a Cure project that was a truly interdisciplinary enterprise, and it allowed us also to include social applications of the results of our research, which is something that's really difficult to get funding for in a standard grant programs. I have also benefited from 2 European Research Council grants, the starting grant and the consolidator grant that I just started in the spring of this year.
And this kind of conference, this FNP conference, it's interdisciplinary conference, as the whole name says. And it's important for scientists to learn from different disciplines and also meet and consult things about your own research and compare with different types of topics, different types of the solutions.
Our goal of our activity is actually to support ophthalmology, novel therapies in ophthalmology that are introduced recently with new technology that helps to validate these therapies, meaning that we are developing new instruments for ophthalmologists that enable them to see whatever is happening in the human eye. For example, if photoreceptors are active or these photosensitive cells, if our eye is really working properly or not.
Our research benefited a lot because, first of all, the funds help us to implement new methods. Without the gross funding, we could not make this research possible. We could not hire new people who were implementing all the methods. And thanks to this funding, we could make experiments which were not possible before. I mean, the equipment was there, but the sequencing is a very costly adventure. It costs a lot of money to sequence genes. It costs a lot of computer power, and it required a lot of servers to generate the proper data. And without the additional funds, we could not really produce this achievement.
I would like to thank you for your attention. I think it was extremely interesting to see so many good scientists in one room.